Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to hide pictures in gallery on Motorola G15 Pop. Firstly, going to Google Photos. Now tap on the picture that you would like to hide. Then tap on the three dots right corner. Swipe a little bit and tap on Move to Locked Folder. Continue and move. Okay, now to access the locked folder, go into search bar, search up locked folder, and now you will either have to type in the current lock screen or you will need to set up a security password. So I'll just type in the lock screen password. I don't want to back out this folder, and as you can see, here is our picture, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.